I saw that building over there coming apart. Started braking. I would have been down the road, maybe underneath the underpass by that time. It caught me, and I started getting debris from the motel across the street. Just unreal. It happened so fast I couldn't think at all. Basically, I said, "Oh, Lord, not again." But he was with me and he spared me again. I knew I was in deep trouble when I saw the building coming apart across the highway here. I didn't realize anything until then. I told the wife, I says, "I got to go." She goes, "Why?" I says, "Tornado." And the next thing I knew, I was rolling.